Hello friends, today we will learn 20 lines on winter season. So let's start. Winter is the coldest season of the year. It comes after autumn and before spring. It starts in December and ends in February. During winter, the days are shorter and nights are longer. People wear warm clothes like coats, gloves, and hats. They drink hot tea and coffee to keep warm. Some places have snowfall, which is very beautiful. Children play in the snow and make snowmen and snowballs. Animals migrate or hibernate to stay warm. Plants and trees are dormant waiting for spring. The weather can be foggy, icy or snowy, but winter's chill brings a unique beauty. In winter we can go ice skating, sledding or skiing. Winter's magic is special and fun. People enjoy dry fruits in winter like almonds, walnuts, dates and cashews. It's a season of coziness and adventure. It is a great time for kids to enjoy their vacations and get cozy in their blankets. The sun rises quite late and sometimes it does not. Even when it does, it doesn't get a bit hot. Winters help you enjoy long morning walks and fresh air. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.